Meaning of impertinent.
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 Impertinent. The word impertinent refers to behavior or comments that are disrespectful, rude, or irrelevant to the situation at hand. It implies a lack of consideration for the feelings or opinions of others and can be seen as arrogant or presumptuous. Being impertinent may result in negative consequences such as offending someone, damaging relationships, or causing conflict. It is important to remain courteous and respectful in communication with others to avoid being perceived as impertinent. Overall, the term carries a negative connotation and should be avoided in professional and personal interactions.